Can artificial intelligence actually recreate the best-selling game of all time? I asked both ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to write a Minecraft clone from scratch. Everyone says ChatGPT is the king of coding, but in this video, let's just say the king got dethroned. The results were shockingly different. Here is the challenge. I gave them both the exact same prompt. Let's start with ChatGPT. It started writing code incredibly fast. I felt confident. I copied the code, threw it into VS Code, and launched it, expecting greatness. Okay, the file opened, and we actually got a main menu. I was like, let's go, this looks promising. But then, reality hit. The buttons are completely dead. I'm spamming start, and it's just ignoring me. It's basically a screenshot, not a game. So, attempt number 1 was a total tease. I went back to ChatGPT and told it, hey, the buttons are broken, fix it. It worked if you call this working. Look at this. The physics are non-existent. The terrain generation is completely broken. Mining works maybe 50% of the time. It's an unplayable, laggy mess. Honestly, ChatGPT failed hard here. 0 out of 10. Alright, moving on to Google Gemini 3 Pro. No drama here, I just gave it the exact same prompt to see how it compares against ChatGPT in pure coding logic. I pasted the code, hit refresh, and boom! It worked on the very first try. Look at this. We have movement, we have collision, it's actually smooth. Okay, the trees look a little alien. I don't know what species this is, but hey, at least they are trees. The UI is decent. Mining works correctly, and the terrain generation actually looks like a world. Compared to ChatGPT, this is a masterpiece. Side by side, the difference is night and day. ChatGPT struggled to even render a block, while Gemini built a playable minigame in seconds. If you are learning to code with AI, don't sleep on Gemini. It clearly handled the logic and 3D math way better in this test. I definitely want to try this again with a different game. What should I force the AI to build next? A Roblox clone? Terraria? Or maybe Hytale? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.